The U.S. trucking industry faces a regulatory puzzle. Federal and state rules on electric truck adoption are often misaligned. This creates confusion for manufacturers and dealers. They struggle to keep pace with evolving requirements and incentives. The Biden administration is pushing for cleaner transportation. However, the patchwork of regulations makes it hard for businesses to plan long-term investments in electric trucks. The lack of clarity is particularly acute in California. The state has its own ambitious clean air goals. These often exceed federal standards, creating a complex web of regulations. While California aims to lead in green technology, the constant shifts in policy create uncertainty. This makes it challenging for the industry to adapt and thrive. California has long been a front-runner in environmental regulations. It was among the first to push for zero-emission truck mandates. Initially, these regulations were seen as a model for other states. However, recent rollbacks and delays have raised concerns. The California Air Resources Board, once a staunch advocate, has pushed back deadlines for zero-emission truck sales. This shift in strategy stems from various factors. These include supply chain disruptions, technological hurdles, and pushback from industry groups. While environmental groups express disappointment, CARB maintains its commitment to clean transportation. The agency argues that a more phased approach is necessary for a smooth transition. This back and forth leaves manufacturers and dealers in a difficult position. Truck manufacturers face a dilemma. They must invest heavily in electric truck development to meet future demand. Yet, the constantly changing regulatory landscape makes it difficult to plan. The uncertainty extends to battery technology, charging infrastructure, and consumer adoption rates. All these factors impact the commercial viability of electric trucks. Some manufacturers are forging ahead, developing new models and scaling up production. Others are taking a more cautious approach, waiting for clearer market signals and technological advancements. The lack of a unified national strategy adds to the confusion. This makes it challenging for manufacturers to optimize their production and distribution networks. Beyond regulatory hurdles, practical challenges hinder the widespread adoption of electric trucks. The lack of a robust charging infrastructure is a major concern. Long-haul trucking relies on a vast network of refueling stations. Replicating this for electric trucks with adequate charging speeds and capacity requires massive investment. Another concern is range anxiety. Battery electric trucks currently have limited range compared to their diesel counterparts. This poses a significant challenge for long-haul trucking, where drivers need to cover vast distances without frequent stops. Technological advancements in battery technology are underway. However, achieving comparable range and refueling times remains a significant hurdle. This limits the appeal of electric trucks for many trucking companies and independent operators.